Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video on Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkeys live in South America. The place in South America where squirrel monkeys live in are tropical rainforests, like the Amazon rainforest. There are 5 species of squirrel monkeys on the planet. Squirrel monkeys eat primarily fruit and insects, but they also eat seeds, leaves, flowers, buds, nuts, and eggs. The natural predators of the squirrel monkey are birds of prey, snakes, and cats. Squirrel monkeys are a species of New World monkeys. Like any other monkey species, a group of squirrel monkeys is called a troop. There are 51 species of monkey on the planet. In one squirrel monkey troop, there can be up to 40 to 50 monkeys in a single group, but some squirrel monkey troops have 500 monkeys. That's a lot. The lifespan of a squirrel monkey is 15 years in the wild and over 20 years in captivity. The population of the squirrel monkey used to be 200,000 monkeys in the wild, but now, unfortunately, the population of the squirrel monkey now is 5,000. And a big part of that is deforestation, hunting, and capturing it for the illegal pet trade. So, in other words, squirrel monkeys are endangered. We need to save the squirrel monkey from extinction. To the creature rescue! The top speed of a squirrel monkey is 22 miles per hour. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic squirrel monkey a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like monkeys, Wild Republic, squirrel monkeys, animals that live in South Central and South America, South and Central America, and primates. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below to subscribe. Click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving squirrel monkeys. See you later. Bye.